This is question number 5 on the higher calculator paper from November 2013. Okay, looking at this question, this says Ben goes on a holiday to Hong Kong. In Hong Kong, Ben sees a camera costing 3,179 Hong Kong dollars 55 cents. In London, an identical camera costs £285. The exchange rate is £1 is 12.30 Hong Kong dollars. Ben buys the camera in Hong Kong. And look at the question. The question says, how much cheaper is the camera in Hong Kong than in London? It says it wants to know how much cheaper the camera is. Now, in questions of this sort, I always write down the exchange rate. They've given it to you, but I'm just going to make an effort to write it down. £1 is, in Hong Kong dollars, $12.30. And what it is if I am changing from pounds to dollars, I'm going to times, and if I'm changing from dollars to pounds, coming backwards, I am going to divide. That's a rough way that I use to actually remember what to do. Now the question wants to know how much cheaper is the camera in Hong Kong than in London. Well, in Hong Kong, the camera costs $3,179.55. In London, it costs £285. And I'm going to change that into Hong Kong dollars. I'm going to change pounds into Hong Kong dollars. So I'm going to times by 12.30. So 285 times it by £12.30. And I'll use my calculator for that. 285 times 12.30 equals, that's $3,505.50. $3,505.50. Remember, it's money that we're dealing with. And I've just changed these pounds into Hong Kong dollars. Okay, go back to the question. The question says, how much cheaper is the camera? Right, so how much cheaper is the camera in Hong Kong? Well, this is how much it would have cost in London if I convert it into Hong Kong dollars. So I'm going to do 3,505.50 take away 3,179.55. Now I'll actually set this out as if I was going to do it longhand, but I've got my calculator. It's a calculator paper. I want to save time and make sure I do this correctly. So 3,505.50 take away 3,179.55, and that's 325.95. 325.95. So in terms of Hong Kong dollars, 325.95 Hong Kong dollars. Now it is really important that you put the correct currency in your answer, because there are different ways of actually presenting this answer. There's another method that is totally acceptable if you converted into pounds and gave your answer in pounds, but this is a totally acceptable and pretty straightforward answer. But make sure you give the units of the currency of your answer to secure full marks in this.